tasty. I want to drink something cold, fresh. I have an idea. Mama!
Yes.
एक शेक बना दोगी?
Sure.
कौन सा शेक होगा?
We will make mango Majito.
Yay! I love mango Majito. Mango Majito. Mango Majito. So let's make it. Making mango Majito, you need some mangoes cut like this and some handful of mint leaves. Now let's put them in. Spoon. Okay. Oh, carefully add them. It's getting to one side so they don't spill. 2 lemon juice. Let's pour it. 1 teaspoon of salt. Thanks God I didn't mix it up. Salt according to your taste. And now I'm adding 5 tablespoons of sugar according to your taste. 2 glasses of water. 1, 2. That's enough, right? Yeah, hopefully. And now let's blend it up. Now let's blend it up. Let's blend it up. Let's set it up in. And now we are going to add our mango mint. That smells good and delicious. Mom made it my favorite drink. Now let's try. I'm going to take this cup. Let's try. Thumbs up. Love it. Thanks to Mom. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.